Here's how to connect a power meter to your watch. It's really easy to do. Now you can see right here, this is my power meter. You're gonna wanna rotate your bike's rotations, but first let's get to the settings. How you can do this is you simply wanna turn on your watch and basically go into the settings. Once you're in settings, just on your watch, depending on how you get there, you simply wanna go to accessories. When you go to accessories, you can see we have the add Bluetooth option. I'm just gonna spin this bike a few times. And once you've actually spun the wheels to your bike a few times, just to activate it so it turns on, like so do this like 10, 15 times. It'll basically allow it to pair Bluetooth. Just turn on your watch and basically go to the searching settings. It's gonna take a few seconds, so I'm gonna pause the video. And you can see right here, it'll just show up. Simply click on connect. It'll take a second. It just connects it automatically. It's very easy to do. From here, you can see it'll basically show the battery level of it, as well as the heart rate monitor or whatever other Bluetooth things you have. Basically, when you start your activity, it'll automatically connect if it is nearby because it is Bluetooth, and basically start it like so, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. Have a great day. You can see it's connected with a lightning bolt.